Hello, here is Olgans. Today I would like to try something new, some kind of garage building, and I have designed a simple knife, a full tang knife, and I am not an expert actually. I'm just a beginner and I'd like to do some fun. So I have this 3 millimeters thick piece of steel. It's hardened steel, construction steel actually. So it is used in constructions. It's a little bit harder than a standard steel, but it is not tool steel and a high carbon steel. Actually, it's a basic steel, but it's my first knife. It's only a try, so okay. And using the angle grinder with a metal disc, I cut this basic shape. So this is how it looks now. And another tool that I will be using is this belt sander. I have a variety of the granulation belts, starting from 60, 80, even to 500. So I would like to make this knife that I think will look like this. Maybe something will be changed in a post-production, but this is a report only to see how it looks in this one and how it looks later. I will do an update. So thanks for watching it. Now it's all. I'm going to work and give you an update of this knife. See you later. It was all guns.